Welcome to Learn English Fast podcast.
Your channel to speak English confidently and improve every day.
Hey, John.
Hi, Anna. Why are you laughing?
Because you look lost.
Lost? Me? Maybe.
Your face says help. Too many words.
Okay, you caught me. Yes, too many words.
Tell me, what's going on?
Every time I speak, I translate, word by word. First my language, then English.
Oh, I see. That's slow, right?
Very slow.
And stressful?
Exactly, stressful.
You know what? Listen to me carefully. Stop translating in your head. Speak English naturally.
That sounds like a magic trick.
Not magic. Practice.
But is it really possible?
Yes, you can train your brain. Start with small steps, short sentences, simple words. Then move faster.
Like thinking in English directly?
Yes, exactly. Think in English, live in English, smile in English.
Smile in English?
Of course, look at me. Smile. See? English can feel light, not heavy.
Okay. I want that. I want to feel free when I speak.
Hi, John.
Hi, Anna.
How are you today?
Tired.
Tired? Why?
My brain is heavy.
Heavy? What do you mean?
Words. Too many words.
Oh, words.
Yes, I always translate them.
Translate?
Yes, from my language to English.
Ah, I see.
First, I think in my language. Then, I move to English.
And that takes time.
Yes, a lot of time.
And energy.
Exactly. My head hurts.
Poor John. You know what? Stop.
Stop?
Yes, stop translating in your head. Speak English naturally.
That sounds impossible.
No, it's not.
Really?
Really, you can train your brain.
Train my brain? Sounds funny.
But it's true.
How do I do that?
Easy. Start small.
Small?
Yes, use short words.
Like
Like water.
water?
Don't think the drink you use every day, then water. Just think water. Direct.
Only water.
Yes,
Not first in my language.
exactly.
Okay, I get it.
That's step one.
But, Anna, sometimes I don't know the word.
That's okay. Don't stop. Don't freeze.
What should I do?
Use another word. Use simple English.
Example?
If you forget pencil, you can say thing to write.
Ah, thing to write.
Yes, easy.
That's clever.
See? No translation, just English.
Interesting.
Let's try more.
Okay.
At trek.
Add trek.
Don't think the object for sitting first, only chair.
Chair, chair, chair.
Good. You sound like a parrot.
Yes, but it helps.
Exactly. That's training.
So the trick is no translation.
Yes, only English.
Think direct.
Think natural.
Think fast.
Yes, speak fast too.
Oh, I like that.
That's freedom.
Freedom. I want that.
You can get it.
How?
Daily practice.
Daily?
Yes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day.
Just small time?
Yes, small time, big results.
Okay, I can try.
No, don't try. Do it.
You sound like a coach.
Maybe I am.
So what's next?
Next is bigger sentences.
Bigger.
Yes. For example, I need water.
I need water.
Don't think, I want the drink I use every day, then I need water. Just, I need water.
I need water.
Faster. Natural.
I need water.
Good.
Wow. I feel lighter.
See? I told you. John, let's make it bigger.
Bigger sentences?
Yes, exactly. Not just one word, whole ideas.
Okay, I'll try.
No. Try. Do it.
Okay, I'll do it.
Good. Let's start simple. Say, I want water.
I want water.
Nice. Did you think in your language first?
No, only English.
Perfect. Now add more. I want cold water.
I want cold water.
Great. Now a little longer. I want cold water because I am thirsty.
I want cold water because I'm thirsty.
Excellent. See, you're already thinking in English.
It feels good. It feels free.
Yes, free and light. Let's do another one. Imagine you are in a restaurant.
Okay.
You call the waiter. You say, "Excuse me, can I have the menu, please?"
Excuse me, can I have the menu, please?
Good. Did you translate?
No, I just saw it in my mind.
Perfect. That's the goal.
I like this.
Let's go further. Say, "Excuse me, I would like some chicken with rice."
Excuse me, I would like some chicken with rice.
Excellent. No translation, right?
Right, it's direct.
Direct English. Natural English.
But, Anna, what if I don't know the word for chicken?
Easy. You describe it. You say, "I want the white meat, not beef, not fish."
Ah, I understand. I can explain with simple words.
Exactly. That's communication.
So I don't need to stop and search in my head.
No, never stop. Keep talking.
Keep talking, even if it's simple?
Yes, simple is better than silence.
That makes sense.
Let's try another situation. Imagine you are shopping.
Okay.
You want a shirt. What do you say?
Excuse me, do you have shirts?
Good. Now bigger. Add color.
Excuse me, do you have blue shirts?
Great. Now size.
Excuse me, do you have blue shirts in large size?
Perfect. And you did not translate.
True, it came out fast.
See, you are growing.
This feels amazing.
Let's push more. Imagine you want to explain why you need the shirt.
Okay, let me think. I need a blue shirt because I have a party tomorrow.
Excellent. Longer, clear, natural.
Wow, I'm speaking English.
Yes, you are thinking in English. No translation, just flow.
Yes, I feel more confident.
Good. Now let's move to bigger ideas. Imagine you are with friends. How do you start?
Maybe, hi everyone, how are you today?
Perfect start. Add more. Ask something friendly.
Hi everyone, how are you today? Did you have a good week?
Very nice. Now keep going. Don't just stop after one question.
Okay. Hi everyone, how are you today? Did you have a good week? I'm happy to see you.
Wonderful. You see, this is natural conversation.
Yes, it feels like I'm really talking to someone.
Exactly. You don't translate. You just connect. Let's try another. Imagine you are meeting someone new. What do you say?
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is John. I work in the city and I like sports.
Perfect. Add more details.
Hello, Nice to meet you. My name is John. I work in the city and I like sports, and I'm learning English because I want to travel and meet new people.
Excellent. That's natural. That's fluent.
Wow, I can really see the progress.
Yes, John. No more translating, only speaking, only English.
Only English. I like that.
And you sound more confident already. John, you're doing so well. You can tell stories now.
Yes, and it feels amazing.
Good. But now let's go deeper. Let's talk about feelings.
Feelings? Okay, that's harder.
Not hard, just honest. Tell me, how do you feel today?
I feel excited because I am learning something new.
Perfect. Add more. Why excited?
I feel excited because I am learning something new and I can speak more freely than before. It gives me hope.
That's wonderful. You see, no translation, just emotion.
Yes, it comes from the heart.
Exactly. Speak from the heart. That is natural English. Now, let's move to the future. What do you want to do next year?
Next year, I want to travel. I want to visit new places. I want to meet people from different countries.
Excellent. Add a dream.
I want to travel. I want to visit new places. I want to meet people from different countries. My dream is to go to London and speak English with everyone.
Beautiful. And you did it without thinking in your language.
Yes, it just came out.
That's the point. Dreams give you strong words.
Strong words. I like that.
Now, let's imagine you are in London. Close your eyes.
Okay.
You are in a cafe. The waiter comes. What do you say?
Hello, can I have a coffee, please? And maybe a piece of cake.
Great. Now add more. Maybe small talk.
Hello, can I have a coffee, please? And maybe a piece of cake. By the way, this place looks very nice. Do you come from London?
Wow, that's so natural. You see how long that is?
Yes, and I didn't stop once.
Exactly. No stops, no translation, no stress.
It feels like real life.
That's because it is real life. You're training your brain to live in English.
Okay, let me try something emotional.
Go on.
Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English, but today I feel stronger. I believe I can speak better every day.
That's amazing. You're not only speaking, you're expressing yourself.
Yes, it's me, not just words.
Exactly. You are showing who you are. Now, one last challenge for today. Tell me about your biggest dream.
My biggest dream. My biggest dream is to travel the world. I want to see many countries, try new food, meet new people, and learn from different cultures. I want to speak English with confidence everywhere I go.
That's beautiful, John. And it was all in English. No translation, no pause, just flow.
Yes, just flow.
And that's the goal. Speak naturally, think naturally, live naturally.
You know, Anna, something strange is happening.
Strange. Tell me.
When I listen to you, my brain doesn't translate so much. I just understand.
And that's the goal. Your brain is starting to trust English.
But sometimes when I want to answer, I freeze. I know the idea, but no words come.
That's normal. It's like your brain has a key, but the door is still heavy.
A heavy door. Yes, that's me.
Then we practice opening it. step by step. Let's try. I'll ask you easy questions. No time to translate. Just answer. Ready?
Okay. Ready.
What did you eat this morning?
Bread, coffee, and eggs.
Perfect. Simple, fast, no translation. Next, what do you see right now?
I see you, and a table, and your smile.
Good answer. Next, how do you feel?
I feel happy. A little nervous, but happy.
See, you are speaking naturally. That's the door opening.
Maybe the door is not so heavy.
Exactly. The more you practice, the lighter it becomes.
But sometimes I still want to say long sentences. That's when I translate.
Don't worry, long sentences will come later. First, focus on speed and comfort.
So short and simple first.
Yes, short and simple makes your brain strong. Later, you can fly with longer sentences.
Anna, can I tell you something?
Of course.
Sometimes I feel shy, afraid of mistakes.
That's human. But listen, mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers.
Teachers?
Yes, every mistake whispers, hey, learn me, fix me, and move on.
So I should listen to mistakes?
Exactly. Listen, learn, and laugh. Don't fight them.
Okay, I'll try.
No, John, don't just try. Do it. Speak, even with mistakes. That's how fluency grows.
You're right. From now on, I speak. I don't care about mistakes.
That's the spirit.
You know, Anna, I feel like my brain is changing. Slowly, but changing.
Yes, because you stopped translating. You're building a new habit of thinking in English.
Great job today, John. Keep practicing these small situations every day.
Thanks, Anna. I will. It feels easier now.
Remember, thinking in English is a habit. Start small and it will grow.
I understand. See you next time, Anna.
See you. Keep speaking and enjoy your English journey.